Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this healthy and tasty breakfast option, that is Besan Chilla. This Besan Chilla I have made using many vegetables, so this is so healthy and tasty. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थी बेल बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a bowl take 1 cup of besan or gram flour. To that add 1 finely chopped onion, half a capsicum finely chopped, half a tomato finely chopped, few sweet corn kernels, 2 chopped green chillies, few chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Gradually add water to form a semi-thick batter. Then add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Add water if required and mix well. Prepare a semi-thick batter like so. Heat a pan and brush oil on it. Drop a ladle full of batter and spread it. Cover and let it cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip and cook well from the other side. Continue flipping and cooking from both the sides. And our vegetable besan chilla is ready. Have this with green chutney or any sauce you like, and this tastes so good. This is super healthy and tasty and quick and easy to make. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.